Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about delay flip-flop or data flip-flop and toggle flip-flop. D type of flip-flop. D stands for delay or data. This is a block diagram of data flip-flop or delay flip-flop. Here the number of inputs are equal to 1 in D type of flip-flop. Okay, and there is a complementary relation between the inputs which are connected to the J and K terminal of the flip-flop, and this complementary relation is achieved by using one NOT gate. The output Q always takes on the state of the D input at the moment of rising clock edge. The output takes the value of the D input or data input and delay it by one clock count. Basically, D type of flip-flop are used in resistors. Resistor is nothing but a group of flip-flop. This is a truth table of D type of flip-flop. So in D type of flip-flop we have one input, therefore only two combinations are possible, 0 and 1. So when input D equal to 0, the output is equal to 0. When input D equal to 1, the output is equal to 1. So how we can explain the excitation table of a D type of flip-flop? Whenever you want a particular output, like whenever you want the output equal to 0, it means the input must be equal to 0. Whenever you want output equal to 1, it means you must provide input equal to 1. Okay, so this is the excitation table of a D type of flip-flop. Next, T type of flip-flop. T stands for toggle. In JK flip-flop, if J equal to K equal to 1, then the flip-flop is referred to as T type of flip-flop. So you can see here in this block diagram we have only one input, that is T, and which is connected to J and K input terminals simultaneously. Okay, so here we can say J is equal to 1. T type of flip-flop is also one input flip-flop. Here only two combinations are possible for T type, 0 and 1. So when T equal to 0, the output Q equal to Q, previous output. Next state of the flip-flop is equal to the previous state of the flip-flop. When T equal to 1, the flip-flop is going to perform the toggling operation. If previous output is 0, next output would be 1. If previous output is 1, next output would be 0. So this is the toggling operation of the flip-flop. Race around condition. When J equal to 1, K equal to 1, then race around condition occurs. So it occurs in T type of flip-flop also. When the time period of the clock pulse is greater than the propagation delay of the flip-flop, due to that output changes or toggle in single clock period. Propagation delay is the speed of the operation of the circuit. If it toggles even number of times, then the output is same, but if it toggles odd number of times, then output is complicated. How to avoid it? This is a question mark. We can make clock pulse smaller than propagation delay, so to avoid it we have two options. we can avoid it by using master slave JK flip-flop or by using H trigger JK flip-flop. Thank you friends for watching this video.